And the video make sure kwanya obetimi first one free airtime and data. Before me continue video we patch will be who say such channel we buy higher me enjoy obi sika say me investment am obi anti who comment section na e be obi use me picture watch your techintwi na o picture say obi a friend number and as a chat WhatsApp me and as bisa who say say nipa no o yes scammer me enjoy obi sika say me investment bi am obi anti obi am fan to obi antwe sika bi am obi a o ka say o na techintwi no na so na techintwi na ye adwuma na video we so no so use iPhone o use Android cra na so free data and free airtime we know ubetimi ayibi enti yensemren ma memfa mo nkomi phone na mention step by step koya ubetimi afa so yi free bundle na say so free airtime we in a video we are sharing money bet so we should video man kwakosi cause if we are after airtime make sure kwanya bit me first way use sa airtime na waton e bia 5 cedis a wonya ne free no 5 cedis airtime no wonya ne free no make sure kwanya bit me first way use sa 5 cedis no emu bia be 4 cedis anya 5 gig nti money bet so we video na man kwakosi na your first time oba ha o subscribe channel we ya adama no na dia to all the adoma to honor said me video be about cause videos be what me about how to make money we scan or MTN so MTN mobile money no but it's a videos be this no na ye promo mostly na ye promo nti e be a later am be find out na promo na end in 210 is adoma no honor anytime be release video be ba let to say king for na release video about enko checking we say dey me penny bia ade a cha ade say bia activities say ye MTN say bia ye to data ye like ye to airtime ye pese ye nye no be break cause sika MTN for di nyina no omo de my points bi wo ho a sa points ni be use there they are to data and as airtime no enti se sia me bo code no bo *550 no bo hash okay nti be portal na ma say to say bia wo pese wo MTN jara na nti okwa obeba MTN rewards no what you 7 no obo 7 na no abo checkpoint balance the last time I check here no na almost standing mommy errors but I'm saying check it be me say e be mam kwa ma check here no abo 1 me check it okay let's see at the points na mama into say me wo 274,326 but you 274,326 but you can use the points in the biato data ni bi but ntimi an check me points am wo dey nti sia ba check we no about 0 no about back 0 do back we are bo 2 number 2 and also with the bo 2 and also person who options ni nyina bo 99 e be money na amount no about redeem points that's 2 na can make catch yourself bona no about 2 no redeem points to redeem points no catch yourself airtime e be data bundles na other rewards and view voucher code nti if I say airtime and I say airtime na bundle na say some person mention until see other one oba one kasa do person ni be bit me hanti until they enko data bundle. That's second one maybe a daily na person ya no about daily na so until weekly no about weekly until will be any points and until here me 274,000 until this year no me 120 megabyte I bet me 4,000 per 274 until we say how many times I may use me points with amanasa until say me use amanasa no me nya gig of if you be 10 gig free but you say that you know until be a 4,000 I meet me about daily and I say be a meet me about back you know be monthly no obet me monthly no what I say monthly na we near bet me 80,000 that's 30 days mama 2.5 gig bet me 80,000 to home me 274,000 it me 80,000 send them in fa ho but you into me 2.5 gig at the same time some more points be do meeting yasan to be free but you into we free activities are why na MTN for them points but you into person omra back bet me about back maybe no about back 0 na back no back and about airtime nti airtime cause the video bundles na airtime in quantity na me nti you fan say 20 cedis abinya 40,000 but you 20 cities so benya 40,000 nti ebia me check my email be bring 40,000 per number te menya 20 cities nti but you hu said it into them am ndi kan to be yen say we ka say ke why now to any cry say why ni cry ya low into the we no menya 10,000 nti 5 cities menya 10,000 nti me bo 5 cities no 5 cities mama ase mache wa too much nti na atwa me ba che nti masanya bo code ne biem ma choose my no oche too much betwa e ne de wa ba che nti ma bo mo sorry 7 real MTN rewards ma bo 99 and I see be a 2 bo 2 ni na beba no wa airtime bo airtime no wa 5 about 5 and mean 5 cities. I'm among 5 cities of a time. No about confirm. About confirm. I see you have successfully redeemed 10,000 points for 5 Ghana cities. So say Pachaba. It is hard TNT. More 274,000. You see 10,000 per number. Many 5 cities. The 5 cities in me person me find 5 gig. 5 cities meeting me 5 gig. Until me remember star 2 star 1 hash. I mean the cock 5 into 5 cities na me the cock per 5 gig of data. Okay, until one say waha into 5 cities no 4.19 in 5 cities me 5 gig number choose 3. Number 1 already have an active bundle meaning say me wo medical be that me bundle ni bi was nti enye sa nka quick na nka be ya ma me ti wo sa very simple obetimi afaso anya airtime na data me gidi say video be poa ama de bia wo ye bia no wo be ko anim for the techintwi on Facebook YouTube here subscribe channel no me the videos be brown me the videos ehu here wo Ghana happy ya de bia unim ade na wo ye no